Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today we're looking at Lookiero. And it comes in a box like this. Big massive box. And inside you get a couple of bundles of clothing. You'll receive some paperwork. And you'll also receive a return bag for you to pop any clothes that you don't want back in there. Take it to your local drop off. And that's it all sorted out for you. Before we get into the video, I would just like to ask if you very much wouldn't mind just subscribing to my channel. I would very much really appreciate your support and helping me to achieve my 2,000 goal subscribers mark. Yay! And also, if you haven't already, please don't forget to enter the Jeffree Star May giveaway. It's a Bloodlust mirror picture here. And I'll leave the link down below for you guys to click onto there to enter for that giveaway. Okay, so let's get into Lookiero. Lookiero, for those of you that do not know, this is a clothing subscription. You can have it monthly. There is a charge of £10, that's for your styling fee. If you buy anything from Lookiero, you will have that £10 deducted off anything that you buy. I've got 2 bundles. I did open the box to do my thumbnail, but I haven't looked at the packaging. And that's the first one, cute little bundle. So let's get into it. Ooh. I see something now that I'm not. Ooh, right, okay, it's too soon to judge. Right, first thing I see is I like this. This is a black stretchy kind of denim-y skirt. So it's got, are these real pockets? Yes, they are. We've got the real pockets there. We've got a couple of pockets at the back, and we've got a very small slit. So this kind of looks like pencil size, I guess. It's got a working zip and a little button there. And as you can see, it is the colour black. Oh my goodness, did I not have this before and I didn't like it because there's some pleats down the front here and they weren't kind of sitting on me? Or was that another box? I don't know. Okay, well, we'll try it on, see how it goes, but straight away I do like this. It's not a thick jean material, but this kind of material can cling to naughty bits. So we'll have a look. Okay. So anybody that knows me knows I don't like green. So we've got these. Elasticated waist, which is good for me. They are pretty much a straight leg, I think. We have pockets, which is not always good for me because I'm quite hippie. I like the zip detailing on there. And they have, is this workable? Yep, a workable pull stringy thing there, which is always handy. And on the back we have detailing of pretend pockets. In principle, I love these trousers. It's the colour. It is honestly the colour that I'm not too crazy about. We'll try, we'll see, we'll have a look, because I have judged before and been very wrong. Okay, so that's that. And also I'm a bit scared about looking at this. This is very orange. This is a deck chair. Only kidding. This is a t-shirt, obviously. It's quite thin, quite see-through. There's nothing going on with it. It is very orangey and white. Oh, is that there's a little heart emblem thing there. Wow. I mean, it's summertime, isn't it? We like colours like this in the summer. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure about that one either. But again, we'll try them on and have a look. Right, okay, second bundle we have. So we've got something navy blue here. So this is a dress. Okay, I quite like that. It's a wrap across dress, but it's only half wrap. We have a kind of belt sachet thing at the front there. We've got a bit of elastication going on there, but not on the back. I'd say it's quite long, so we're looking at, ooh, I don't know, midi maybe. I quite like this. It does remind me of quite casual look. The only thing that's going to put me off with this is it's going to need ironing, and I am not one for ironing. I absolutely hate ironing. I mean, it's even come out the box like it's battered. And I just noticed on the sleeve there that they have, yeah, I like this. There's a little something going on with this, so I quite like that. Like I say, it's the material though, and I just feel like there's a lot of it, like a lot of skirt there. And in my opinion, that can make me look even hippier. So, oh, this, okay, I'm really confused now because this actually opens up. So I'm trying to figure out if this is a true wrap or not. I'm gonna have to try it on and figure it out. But there still feels like a hell of a lot of material there. Okay, and then the last item we have is this is a little dress. This is okay. I'm struggling to see again what's going on the front here. I don't know what is going on the front here, but we have some sort of detailing. I say this was sort of maxi or midi, maybe. I think this is, I don't know if this is a split going up here or if this is again a wrap. We'll have to have a look because it's very difficult to. Okay, looks like it is actually a wrap dress. Maybe the bottom half is a wrap dress. I don't know. I will try it on and we'll have a look and we'll see what's what. Okay, so as always, I'll jump on, try this lot on camera, and I will read you the details of the branding, the pricing, the sizing and the colours. Be right back. Hi guys, so welcome back. In fear of repeating myself, if you like these kind of videos, I would really appreciate if you wouldn't very much mind subscribing to my channel. I am hoping to reach my 2,000 subscriber count or goal, whatever you want to call it, and I just need your help and support in order to achieve that. Okay, so before I show you the video with the try-ons, just to let you know that you do get some paperwork in your Lookiero box. So you get some styling cards. So the pieces that are sent out to you, these are the little cards, and they are sent out to see if you can match or style anything you might already have in your wardrobe, or pieces that you decide to keep, if any. Okay, and then there's a little card here. This card explains that if you would like to try a Lookiero for yourself, you will receive a 10% discount. I will leave that link down below if you want to give it a try, and I will also receive £10 credit to my account, so it's a win-win for both of us. And then we receive a letter from our stylist. My stylist is called Toby. I've had him for quite a few boxes. I have to say that I wasn't sort of feeling the last box that I had from Lookiero, and I'm not really feeling this box, unfortunately, but hey ho, you can't win them all of the time. And the final piece of paperwork is the all-important invoice. The invoice gives you the brand, sorry I couldn't think now for a minute, the brand, the name of the clothing, the colour, sizing, and of course the cost of how much each piece will cost you. Okay, so I'll pop the videos up here. I started off with the dress first of all, well, one of the dresses out of the two. So the first dress was this one. Okay guys, so what did you think of this dress? Now for me, I just felt there was a little bit too much going on. There was some sort of thing going on with the bust where you had to tie this thing up. There seemed to be quite a lot of material as well. I didn't find it as very flattering. I like the fact that it's wrap. I do like wrap dresses, and normally wrap dresses on my body type are normally really flattering for me. I love the colour. I like the design. I like the design as in the polka dots, whatever they're called. I'm just not feeling this dress at all. Okay, second dress. I've got to tell you, this weighs a ton. This was awful. I felt this was awful on. I can't tell you how heavy this dress is. I felt so claustrophobic in this. I felt like this was like a straight jacket on. The fit on me was absolutely hideous. This busty bit, or this is meant to be the waist, was actually sitting just literally beneath my bust area, nowhere near my waist anyway. I just felt there's so much going on. You know, the sleeves got a nice design to them, and then you've got this crossover at the bust area. You've then got this that you're supposed to tie up at the front. You've then got like loads of material. We've got a bit here. We've got the other side there. We've got a full lining here. I mean, oh my goodness. One heavy dress, and aside from the fact of that, there's just so much material to this, and God almighty, I'd be there a week trying to iron it. So I'm sure you can gather from my response to both dresses, they are going to be absolutely no. And I forgot to tell you the prices. I'm getting so into this video, so let me quickly just recap on the prices on the blue one. This is by Closet by Lou. It's called the Anwick dress. It is a dark blue, and this will cost £55.80. Where they get the 80 pence from, I have no idea. But as I stated, it's an absolute no. There's just no way. And then the other dress, let me just quickly tell you about this. This is by AX Paris. It's called the Dress Paris. It's in black. This is £35. I don't think that's too bad. It's not my cup of tea, but I can see many ladies wearing that. I don't think that's too bad actually for a dress, because the quality on both dresses are absolutely 100% there. So yeah, that £35 one, if I could tweak it or somehow make it work, I would for that price. Right, okay, and the next thing I tried on was the t-shirt. So I quite like this, apart from looking like a deck chair. I do quite like this. I thought the fit was okay. If anything, I probably could do with a size down on this t-shirt. The material, I can't tell you how soft and gorgeous this is on. It wasn't heavy. I don't feel like I was actually wearing anything. I will say that it creases like you wouldn't believe, which maybe you're probably struggling. And the colour is not a colour that I would particularly go for. So for me, this is a no, but as in for the t-shirt and the material, I like it, just not the orange. So that is by Blenchy. It's called the BS Bernadette t-shirt, peacoat orange, and that would cost £19.99. And with that, I paired it with the green slacks, the green trousers. These are by, I never get a box without this person being in it, Vero Monda. These are called the Pant Loose. They're in a dark green. These will cost £35. These were okay. I'm not a green person. I don't really like the colour green. And I felt like when I was moving about or walking, the pockets wouldn't sit flat to the material like that. They just kept like bunching up like that. And it's just adding more bulk and not good to my hips, but they're nice. Possibly if they were in black I might have actually gone for them, but I'm not going for green. No thank you. Anyway, onto the skirt. So this is called, this is by ZZ. This is the Benga skirt. It's in the colour black, and this would cost £35.99. I felt this was okay. I like it. I don't love it, unfortunately. I don't like this sort of pretend denim material. I find it cheap and nasty. I don't know. If it was real denim, probably love it. But I just don't like this kind of feely, pretendy, denim-y, horrible stuff. The added bonus was that it did have the cycling shorts added feature that were built in, which I thought was kind of different. Oh, where's the other leg? Okay, well, it's there somewhere. There we go. So I thought that was kind of different. So the whole box, it did come to £181.78. Take off your £10 styling fee. So it looks like I'm going to lose out on my styling fee again. You do get a 25% discount if you were to keep all 5 pieces. That would be £42.94. That would take the whole box down to £128.84. So as you can probably gather, I will not be keeping anything from this box. I'm a little bit disappointed because I felt like Toby was really getting to know my style, and the last couple of boxes have gone a little bit wrong. So I maybe need to look at my profile and just kind of adjust it. And what I feel also works is when you literally do ask for certain pieces, I feel like they do tend to do a little bit of a better job. Anyway, that's it for now. Don't forget, if you like these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to enter the Jeffree Star giveaway Bloodlust mirror. I'll leave a picture here. And I'll leave a link down below if you want to go and have a look and enter to that video. Till we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Bye. Take care. Bye.